Amidst towering trees and serene trails, a hiker named Mark discovered the profound healing power of nature. After facing personal challenges, including the loss of a loved one, he sought solace in the great outdoors. Each step on the rugged paths became a journey of self-discovery, allowing him to confront his grief. The rhythmic sound of his heartbeat synchronized with the whispering winds, creating a calming symphony that eased his troubled mind. As he navigated through breathtaking landscapes, he learned to embrace vulnerability, finding strength in solitude. Nature became his refuge, teaching him that healing often lies in the embrace of the wild, where hope flourishes amidst the trees.